This is 3-2. I am recording. So Triton, if you could not swear a whole bunch.
Sorry.
Okay.
I'll try to keep that.
Keep it under wraps.
I'll try
Just
to-
today, for right
And
now.
I'll- And I'll keep my secrets about how to make things.
Okay, yeah, if you could keep those secrets, I'd appreciate it. All right, graduated commission. So, let's say that each month, Carter receives commission. I'm gonna say, Carter, that you've got, I know you're going for being a mechanic, but we're gonna say that for just right now, you decided to sell mopeds for a little bit because it's a sweet job. So Carter gets a commission of 2% on the first $10,000 worth of sales that month. Please write it down. It is important in your examples that you have this down. And then let's say you get 5% on the next 10,000 sales. Well, next $10,000 worth of sales. And 8% on any sales after that. And I'll tell you what, Carter, this is a good month. It was a good month. You know how much you sold this month? You sold $92,000 worth of mopeds. I mean, you really went for it. And you deserve that commission. So let's figure out how to make it happen. All right. Does anybody have an idea of how we can start this? I want to kind of make a chart where we separate like the different ranks of his commission. Anybody have an idea of how we could set it up? Yeah?
So that $92,000, that was his first month?
Yeah, this is the month that we're talking about. So this is in this month, all this month.
All of them?
Yeah, this is all for this month. So this is the rules for every month that he gets paid. Yeah? Okay, all right, so we're doing a T-chart. Well, not really a T-chart. I'm gonna make it 3 columns, but you said it's in thirds. Why did you say thirds? 3 different percentages. Let's put this percentages here, the amount of money here, and then the total made over here. Okay. If you don't have a calculator, make sure you go get one. All right, so I'm gonna write 2% right here. How do I write that in decimal? 0.02. I'm just gonna write 0.02 next to it so that I remember. And then how much of the money that he sold does he, first of all, what is this $92,000 again?
This total amount, or total money that are with the mopeds that he sold.
Right, so this is how much money he made for the business, essentially, the business that he works for. And then they're paying him because he sold mopeds, and he gets a percentage of the profits. Does everybody understand that he doesn't get 2% on all of this? He doesn't get 8% on all of this or 5% on all of this. It depends on what kind of rank he's at that point. Okay, so 2%. So what part of it does he only get 2% commission on? Yeah?
The first $10,000.
The first $10,000. All right, so the first $10,000. And then how can we figure out how much he made off of that $10,000? See a whole bunch of you doing it. Say it to me.
So
Mm-hmm.
multiply that, 0.02
Right, everybody take 0.02 times 10,000 in your calculator. So for that first $1,000 worth of mopeds, he makes just $200. I mean, it's not bad. Maybe you can just knock that off in an afternoon. $200 in an afternoon, $10,000 worth of mopeds. Depends on what kind of mopeds they're going for. Are they going for the used kind? Because then you're working. Maybe if it's a brand new moped, 2 of them. Nice. Okay, now, but then it graduates, it goes up. So the next one is 5%. Again, that is 0.05. And how much money does that go towards? Another 10,000. What if he only had sold $12,000 this month? How much would I put in that spot? 2,000, because that's how much he would have left. Again, we're going to take 0.05 times 10,000. Hopefully at this point, maybe you're realizing I don't even need to type this in my calculator because 5% of 10,000 is $500. 2% is $200. 5% is $500. It's the same amount of money that he's working with. Okay. What should I fill out for the last one? Yeah?
So it's 8%, so you see R.08.
Mm-hmm.
And then it says on any sales after that, so all the money that's remaining from that 92,000, which is 72,000.
Wow, he's getting 8% of $72,000. This is a nice job, Carter, as long as you can sell those mopeds. And clearly, you can. So good job. So now we're going to take 8%. Everybody do it. 8% times $72,000. Right now, type it in your calculator and then show your partner that you typed it in your calculator and what your answer was. Did everybody get $5,760? It's a nice chunk of change there, Carter, for 1 month of work. He's like, whatever, shush, I'm not even impressed. Okay? Yeah, something. All right, anybody know what this symbol is? I know 2 of you do. Carter, what is it? All of them added up. This is a Greek letter called capital sigma. It is a summation. It's when you add everything up. So right now in your calculator, you should take 200 plus 500 plus $5,760. We get the total that Carter made this month, which is $6,460. Carter, nice job. I should be selling mopeds. Yes?
I meant to ask this in statistics, but I completely forgot the answer. Why do they use Greek letters in math?
Because usually the regular alphabet is reserved for variables. And then Greek letters specifically mean something like pi is always 3.1415, etc. There's no reason to ever solve for pi, but if there's an x in there, it's implying that you're solving for it. Good question. Hey, quick question. How much would Carter make in a year if he kept this up?
77,000.
Oh, did you already multiply it? Yeah, $77,520, Carter. Nice. In a year. That is a nice job.
That is if he kept up that.
If he kept it up, but what if he did better?
Then he'd be more.
I mean, and remember, he's at the high bracket up here, but if he has a slow month and he doesn't hit that high bracket, then he can't. Does everybody kind of understand how graduated commission works? Beautiful. All right, now, your worksheet isn't due today, but raise your hand right now. Everybody close your eyes so we're not embarrassed. Close your eyes. Raise your hand if your problems are done except for the graduated commission ones. Okay, put your hands down. All right, so you've got time to work today, but what I want you to start with is I want you to stay with your partner, and you're going to do the graduated commission part of the worksheet together, and then you can split up once it gets to finishing the other stuff, okay?